are, sir. Few big breaths in and out. One big inhale and one slow, gradual exhale into the nose. Good work. At this midway point of the year, we're busy in science. 7th grade is well into their astronomy unit. 8th grade has been looking at phase changes and phases of matter, including things like melting glass and using dry ice to show sublimation or change of a product from a solid phase into a gas phase. 6th grade is well into their human body unit. Right now we're studying the respiratory system. Inhale, and then a giant slow exhale into the hose. Good pace. Good job, Mason. The 6th grade is about halfway through their human body unit. This unit takes about 3 months, and we cover all the different systems of the human body. Right now, we're focused on the respiratory system, and kids have been learning about the parts of the respiratory system, things that help keep the respiratory system healthy, and of course things that can damage the respiratory system. One project or activity we do during this study is the lung capacity test. And this is a challenge that kids have enjoyed for years. It's a measure of how much space they have in their lungs. And it allows us to examine some of the parts of our respiratory system, but also actually see things that can either enhance or impair this system. The lung capacity test involves filling a jug with water and then sterilizing an end of a hose. Then the filled jug is flipped upside down in another container, like a dishpan full of water, and then the distant end of the hose is placed into the upside down jug. The student's end of the hose is cleaned, and then the student takes a few deep breaths, a giant inhalation, and then slowly exhales into the hose. And the amount of air they have in their lungs will go through the hose, displace the fluid inside the jug, and then allow us to measure very accurately the lung capacity of the student. We want to appeal to as many learning styles as possible at Powhatan. We certainly do traditional things like reading of a textbook, discussion in class, study of vocabulary, and tests. But we also try to enhance that learning with activities that get the kids out of their seats, move them around, allow some interaction, and allow them to use their hands or their bodies to see science in action. The lung capacity test does that. Kids are out of their seats, they're breathing and thinking and using science in class. In and out, and then one big exhale. A few big in and out, and then one big exhale into the hose. Good pace. Nice.
The water looks so bouncy.
Nice.